In this module, we will talk about another technique to estimate the KLA, which is known as oxygen balance technique. In this technique, the KLA of the fermenter is measured through the oxygen balance technique, which is actually directly measurement of the amount of the oxygen transferred into the solution in set time of interval. This involves the procedures: number one, the volume of the broth contained in the vessel, that how much is the fermentation medium in the fermenter. Number two, the volumetric airflow rate measured at the air inlet and the outlet. So that is actually the measurement of the oxygen concentration and the total volume of the air supplied to the fermenter. In the same case, the estimation of the total air and the concentration of the oxygen on the exit point. So the inlet and the outlet, both kind of the estimation, QI and Q naught, respectively per liter per minute, that how much of the air supplied to the how much of that, LLM. Because we have discussed the unit of the aeration while discussing the design of the fermenter. The third one is the total pressure measured at the fermenter air inlet, so PI and P naught. And the fourth one, the temperature of the medium, the temperature of the gas at the inlet and the outlet, because gas of the fermentation medium at the temperature of the medium, and also it is critical the temperature of the air which we supplied into the fermentation medium. And then the V is the mole fraction of oxygen measured at the inlet and the outlet, YI and Y naught. So the QI, Q naught, PI, P naught, T1, TI and T naught, and Y I and Y naught. These are the different parameters that we have to calculate, estimate in oxygen balance technique. So this is the oxygen transfer rate that can be determined by this equation, that OTR, oxygen transfer rate, is equal to 7.32 multiplied by 10 raised to power 5 over VL into QI PI YI over TI minus Q naught P naught Y naught over T naught. So this is the equation that give the oxygen transfer rate. So you can see here the 7.32 multiplied with 10 raised to power is the conversion factor, equaling that 60 minutes per hour, so that at standard temperature and pressure. This is the constant. So these measurements require the accurate flow meters, pressure gauges, temperature sensing probes, gaseous analyzers. So the ideal gas oxygen transfer analyzer is mass spectrometer analyzer, which is sufficiently accurate to detect the change from 1 to 2% even. So the KLA may be determined provided the CL and C star are known from the equation. So this equation, which is we have already discussed this equation, that is equal to OTR this. So if we calculate C star and CL, then by this equation oxygen transfer rate divided by CL then can be easily, we can calculate the volumetric mass transfer coefficient. So the oxygen balance technique appears to be more simplest method for the assessment of volumetric mass transfer coefficient, in other words KLA, and has the advantages of measuring the aeration efficiency during the fermentation as compared to dynamic method, as compared to static method, and a sulfite oxidation method. These are the different techniques that is mostly we discussed for the measurement of KLA. For the measurement of KLA, that last technique, which is known as oxygen balance technique, is most suitable. So as concern the KLA, volumetric mass transfer mass transfer coefficient, number of factors that affect on KLa. So you can see here that three major factors are involved: the degree of agitation inside, the rheological properties of the culture broth, and the presence of antifoam agent, because antifoam agents have adversely effect on the oxygen solubility. So that's why these are the different factors that affect on the estimation of the KLa. So that cannot be actually estimate that vary with the vary in the agitation rate, with the vary of the nature of the fermentation medium, and then how that behaves. Sometimes it also affected by the when the growth happened, then this also the rheological properties of the medium change and the type of the antifoam. So this is all about the aeration and agitation, and what is the role of the aeration in aerobic fermentations.